Good Thursday afternoon. We begin this newscast with breaking news. A state district judge has ruled late this afternoon parts of the Texas abortion law, the new abortion law, unconstitutional and cannot be enforced.
Now, specifically, Judge David Peeples writes how the law is enforced by letting almost anyone, anywhere in the world, sue a doctor who performs an abortion and recover a set amount of money violates the state and U.S. constitutions. So the judge points out three areas that make the enforcement of the law, in his opinion, unconstitutional. Standing for uninjured persons, meaning that allowing people to sue without having to show how they were personally harmed violates the Texas Constitution's open records or open courts provision.
He also points to punishment without due process. The judge ruled requiring people who are not harmed to be awarded at least $10,000 violates the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution that grants everyone the right to due process.
And delegation of executive power to private persons. Judge Peeples writes by allowing anyone to enforce this law, again through those lawsuits, is an unlawful delegation of power and violates the separation of powers provision of the Texas Constitution. Now, there are a few other provisions from the lawsuits that he did not rule on. The judge says he will make those rulings later, and will be in contact with attorneys for both sides to get more information about them. But appeals to this order are already being written.